Moral values are set of principles which helps us evaluate what is good and what is bad. Moral values are a set of some precious values which helps us in becoming a good human being. These values involve a lot of factors like morality, respecting others, helping others, loving others, etc. We can attain the right behavior if we follow the moral values with complete honesty. Reading moral stories is a good way to learn about moral values. Good morning, students. I welcome you to today's GK virtual class. Kids, today we are going to do page number 12 of your book. It comes under the topic of language and literature, in which we are going to do valuable values. As you all know that all values are invaluable, so let's do. Before starting the topic, let's see the learning outcomes. Students, after the completion of this topic, you will be able to identify the values based on the situations given in the page. You may able to know about different values. You will be able to write the correct value on the basis of information given. The first one is patriotism. Patriotism is when you pledge to do your best for your country. Patriotism means loyalty of a person to his or her own nation. A patriot is a person who is on the side of his or her own nation. The second one is every day before going home, the students switch off the lights and the fans. This is energy conservation. Energy conservation is the decision and practice of using less energy, turning off the lights when you leave the room, unplugging appliances when they are not in use, and walking instead of driving. The third one is the students enjoy celebrating their annual day with traditional songs and dances from different states of India. It is unity in diversity. Unity in diversity means oneness in the varieties. India is the best country providing its concept for many years. India is a country where it is very clear to see unity and diversity because people of many religion, race, cultures and traditions live together. Fourth one is the students always ensure that the water taps are closed after use, especially during the recess time. This is water conservation. Water conservation refers to preservation, control and development of water resource, both surface and ground, and preventing of pollution. The fifth one is the monitor of the class stopped his or her classmates from tearing paper and making paper balls or aeroplanes. This is save paper. Save paper because paper is too valuable to waste. The sixth one, the students prepare a timetable allocating proper time for each subject in order to revise thoroughly for their exams. This is time management. Time management refers to managing time effectively so that the right time is allocated to the right activity. Seventh one is the head boy and the head girl of the school led the students rally around the neighboring areas about clean city, green city. This is leadership. Leadership is the art of motivating a group of people to act towards achieving a common goal. The eighth one is all students of class 7 gather in the school garden and help the teachers to distribute the important circular to the for the school function. This is cooperation. Cooperation is an act or instance of working or acting together for a common purpose. Kids, I told you by the end of this video you'll be able to identify the values based on the situation given in the page. Now I have one task for you to do. You have to answer this question. The question is, Shelley saw a stray dog bleeding on the road. Consider yourself as Shelley. What will you do and why? Write the value.